If you have never detoxed before, this video is specially made for you. If you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Adifunke. I love to create content around lifestyle, natural remedies, and healthy living in general. And to all my old and returning lovers, I want to say thank you all for your love and support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to detox your system with green juice. Green detox helps you to look younger than your age. It keeps you healthy. It releases energy. It fluxes out toxin out of body. And of course, it boosts immune system. And also, it helps in losing weight. So these are all I'm going to be making use of. Making use of mint leaves, as you can see in the video. I'm making use of mint leaf and also lime. I'll be making use of lime, and also I'm making use of a cucumber. Half cucumber is okay for this green juice detox. Okay, and last but not the least, I'll be making use of ginger. All right, just an inch of ginger is good for this juice. So now, without wasting your time, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You may as well want to give this a try, and I bet you will definitely going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. So that's all, guys. You may want to give this a try. The best time to take this is first thing in the morning or last thing before bed. Please don't forget to like, share your opinion about this video in the comment section, and share my videos. Thank you so much.